So I'm Cassie Hudson. I'm a pediatrician and I work at Bristol Pediatric Associates with Holston Medical Group. And we treat everything from a common cold and a scraped up knee to really complicated medical illnesses. As a pediatrician, I like to think that I help prevent illnesses or find illnesses early, and a great time to do that is within the well child check. We do that with things like immunizations or looking at their growth and their development. A lot of the times people think well child checks are just for babies. You know, they're used to that schedule where they come in for their very first newborn visit and then that 2-week visit in 2 months, and then they're kind of on that routine of coming to the doctor. And that's a good time for us to make sure that we talk about nutrition, make sure baby's growing well, making sure they're meeting all their developmental milestones, and that's very important. But I think a lot of times parents forget as they get older, as they go to school, they've got all of their immunizations, they're doing all of their sports, and to the parents are staying well. They kind of forget to do those well child checks too, but those are just as important. To come in for their annual physical, for us to listen to their heart, to listen to their lungs, just do a full body exam, sometimes that we may not do if they're just here for while they're sick. Immunizations are an integral part of the well child visit. They help prevent diseases. The schedule, the CDC recommends vaccines usually at 2, 4, 6 months, 12, 15, and 18 months. Then there are also vaccines before 7th grade and then when they're 16. And the way the CDC recommends them, the way that we vaccinate here at Bristol Pediatrics is the way that's best studied. And me as a parent, I want to give my patients, my kids, what I know works. And because they've been studied this way for so long, then we know it works. So that I don't want to see my kids get sick, and if I have something that prevents them, then I know that it's going to work.